Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on video on your voice channel permission settings on your role settings, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and now click roles, and now click here, click permissions, and now here you will find video. Click on it like this and it will be turned on, and click save and it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.